Good morning, students. Today we discuss about the topic of solid state in very most important topic, Bragg's law. Bragg's law. Bragg's law. This Bragg's law is first introduced by H. Braggs and W.L. Braggs. These two scientists are introduced Bragg's law in 1913. Okay, students, what is the importance of Bragg's law? This Bragg's law is used to measuring of the path or distance between two atoms or two lattice ions. The distance between two lattice ions are the two atoms. Suppose these atoms or lattice ions are present in regular manner. Regular manner means this type of manner. This type of manner are present in certain lattice ions. These lattice ions, suppose this is regular manner, this is two planes. The distance between these two planes is d denoted by d. What is the distance between these two regular manner? How to find these distance? By the basis on Bragg's law. Okay, suppose these lattice ions are present in certain. Suppose this is one type regular manner, this is one type, this is one lattice, this is this is two or three planes. Okay, students, these regular manner in presence of certain lattice ions. Suppose these lattice ions, to assuming one passes through in these planes one monochromical X-ray. This is monochromical X-ray. It is incident ray. These monochromical X-ray passes through regular planar, then automatically assuming certain normal, this is normal, to reflected, this is reflected ray. How much angle to passes through in incident ray? At the same reflected angle is same. Okay, this X-ray reflect to each other. Next, second monochromical X-ray, same distance. This is parallel to each other, these two rays, then automatically reflect to each other. Reflect to reflected ray, X-ray, second monochromical X-rays. Suppose these rays are present in this type of wave, because the rays at the same time second ray automatically passes through this type of same manner. Okay, students, suppose the rays present in these type like parallel to each other, this type of, this is crust, trough, two troughs are equal, two crusts are equal, this is known as constructive manner. You passes through the X-rays in the constructed manner, must be constructed manner only. Suppose you pass through these type of rays like these distances are not equal, these is not equal, so this is destructive manner. You pass through like X-rays only constructed matter, not a destructive manner. Okay, students, Suppose these, suppose you have taken the first ray is passed through this point, at the same time second ray also pass through same distance equal distance to each other. By this ray extra travel to this length. Okay students, this is point of O, this is point of A. Next, this reflected ray pass through it, and the same reflected ray pass through same distance, but this is extra distance. This point of C, this point of B. Okay, now we discussed about what is the second ray pass through extra length, travels extra length AB plus BC. Second ray travels AB plus BC. This AB plus BC length is extra travel second X-ray. So what is the Braggs law information? If X-ray, if two X-rays, two waves are constructive interference or manner interference, then the path difference is equal to integral multiple of n lambda. It means two waves are constructive manner. These two waves are constructive manner or interface. This is interface. Two waves are passed through in a constructive manner of interface. Then the path of this distance is equal to n lambda, is equal to integral multiple of n lambda. N lambda means wavelength. Okay, this distance denoted d, so denoted this, it is also distance d. Okay students, what is the extra second ray extra travel distance? The extra traveling by wave is AB plus BC. These extra travel distance, that is the path of difference. This path of difference is equal to what? Is equal to n lambda, multiple of n lambda. This is our Braggs equation. Suppose we find that the Braggs equation, this is O. Suppose this is also theta, this is also theta. Okay students, this is theta, this is theta. Okay, now we discuss about these information, like now we discuss about these triangle. Suppose what is the triangle? This is two right angle triangles, and this is one triangle. This is O, this is A, B, C. Suppose you have taken O, A, B triangle from triangle O, so triangle O, A, B. Suppose this is theta, this is theta. This means this sin theta equal to this is opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta equal to opposite side AB by hypotenuse means OB. Okay students, OB. Then OB equal to distance d. Okay students, OB equal to distance d. So sin theta equal to AB by d. It is the first equation. Next, sin theta equal to AB by d. Suppose AB equal to d sin theta. Okay students, it is equation number 1. AB equal to d sin theta. Next, you have taken second triangle from triangle OCB. Okay students, ante OCB. This is triangle AOB. This triangle COB. This is angle theta. This is also angle theta. Okay, was COB. This is AOB. This is because of this theta. This is theta. At the same time, sin theta equal to same opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side. This is opposite side. Opposite side. What is the opposite? BC by hypotenuse means OB. Okay, OB is equal to D because sin theta equal to BC by D. So BC equal to what, students? Sin D into sin theta. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Now what is the extra distance? These extra distance AB plus BC. These equations represents in, substitute in the equation number X. This equation. So AB means D sin theta plus BC means D sin theta. D sin theta equal to n lambda. So D sin theta plus D sin theta, 2D sin theta, 2D sin theta equal to n lambda. This is our Braggs equation. This is our Braggs equation. D sin theta plus D sin theta equal to n lambda. 2D sin theta equal to 2D sin theta equal to n lambda. This is our Braggs equation. Suppose in the terms D means, in the equation D means the distance between two paths. Distance between two paths. Next, theta means angle of diffraction. Angle of diffraction means, suppose this is theta, angle of diffraction. This is incident ray, reflected ray, angle of diffraction. Okay, students, this is also same, angle of diffraction. Next, lambda means wavelength of monochronical X-rays. N means n. What is this n? N means order. This is order. This is order of diffraction. Okay, students, this is the Bragg equation, very most important 4 marks question in our solid state lesson. Okay, thank you, students. But this is Bragg's law, very most important definition. If two waves are constrictive interference means this is, then the path difference, difference is equal to, this path difference is equal to integral multiple of n lambda. N lambda means wavelength of ray and the order of deflection. Okay, students, thank you.